In this video, we'll show you how to clean your outside windows the right way to achieve a professional, streak-free shine. Over time, exterior glass collects pollen, bird droppings, and hard water spots that regular rain just can't wash away. With these simple steps, you can clear the grime and let the light back into your home. You'll need a bucket, mild dish soap, a squeegee with a sharp rubber blade, a microfiber cloth or scrubber, and a large towel. For high windows, a sturdy ladder or a telescopic pole is essential. Avoid using paper towels or newspaper, as these often leave lint and streaks behind. Start by removing any window screens and giving them a quick spray with a garden hose. Before touching the glass, use your hose to rinse the window and the surrounding frame. This washes away loose dirt and grit that could scratch the glass during the scrubbing process. Fill your bucket with warm water and add just a few drops of mild dish soap. Too much soap creates excess suds that lead to streaks. Dip your scrubber or microfiber cloth into the solution and scrub the entire window thoroughly. For stubborn spots like dried bird droppings or tree sap, apply a little extra pressure in a circular motion. This is the secret to a streak-free finish. Starting at the top corner, pull the squeegee horizontally or vertically in a single, smooth motion. After every stroke, wipe the rubber blade dry with a clean cloth. Overlap your previous stroke slightly to ensure no water is left behind. Consistent pressure is key to preventing ghosting lines. Once the bulk of the water is removed, use a dry microfiber cloth to wipe the perimeter of the window frame and any small drips. This prevents water from running back onto your clean glass. Wipe down the windowsill with your large towel to soak up any runoff. Rinse your screens one last time, let them dry completely, and pop them back into place. To keep your windows looking clear, try to clean them on a cloudy day. Direct sunlight can dry the soapy water too quickly, causing streaks before you can squeegee them off. With these simple steps, your windows will be crystal clear and your home will look brighter instantly. Regular exterior cleaning prevents hard water minerals from etching into the glass permanently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more outdoor maintenance tips.